Tableau provides a ton of options on how to analyze and compare data between schools. For this particular workbook, we'll be looking at the school planning database. Typically, in the past, we've only produced the Excel version of the school planning database. This year, we will be producing a dashboard that will hopefully be interactive and helpful in your everyday analysis of data. To get started, let's take a look at what the dashboard has. First, here we have our legend. This will give you a little guide to the color coordinations that you'll see on the left. The school, area, and grade span are all filtering options that will allow you to filter to which schools that you want to take a look at during your analysis. Below that are just simply definitions of the data that are included in this particular dashboard. The school planning database is organized in tabs, very similar to what you're used to in Microsoft Excel. You can navigate the dashboard workbook through two ways. The first way is by clicking on the down arrow, which gives you a list of all the dashboards that are included in this particular workbook, or by simply clicking on a tab from the top of the page. Notice these arrow buttons are also here to help you navigate toward the end or to the beginning of the dashboard workbook. Notice that once I get to the beginning or the end, I get the band sign, which means that you're at the very beginning of the dashboard and you cannot navigate further in that direction. The school planning database gives the user the option to sort their data from highest to lowest or from lowest to highest. This is simply done by looking for the sorting key at the top of the data dashboard. When you click this, it will simply sort your data beginning from highest to lowest. By clicking the sort button again, it will sort your data from lowest to highest. The school planning database offers three different options for filtering your data. First, if you would like to compare just the schools from the central region, we would simply click the central tab on the area filter. You'll notice that only the central schools are filtered on both data graphs. Now, let's say if we only wanted to look at elementary schools within the central regions, we could come down and select the elementary tab within that, and you will notice only elementary schools from the central region are now displayed. The top filter is used when you would like to compare specific schools in the district. Say if we would like to compare Poe to Powell Elementary, we could do that simply from this filter. And you notice as I hover, it gives you the information or the data that is driving these two different visualizations. One of the exciting options that the school planning database will provide this year is the ability to share the analysis that you have completed in your individual session. You can do that by simply coming down and clicking on the arrow key. Notice that you have the option of creating an image of what you're looking at right now, downloading the specific data that is driving your analysis, a simple cross tab that will be downloaded in Excel, or simply a PDF. So by doing that, let's just click on the PDF option. Notice you have several options on how you would like to export your data. Simply click Export and then Download. Notice it'll start downloading in the bottom left-hand corner of your screen. When we click on that, we simply open up a PDF of what you were conducting your analysis on that you can save and share with other members of your staff or leadership within the district. Once you've completed your analysis on a specific dashboard, you can simply revert the dashboard to its original state by clicking the Revert All button at the bottom of the page. Once you click that, it will revert back to the original state of the dashboard when you visited it. So you can start all over with your analysis and explore the dashboard further.